Hello everyone, this is Manoj. Welcome back to my brand new series of React.js tutorial. So in this video, I will talk about class component, which are stateful components. So far, we have created a simple React.js project and we are able to see this static text. So in this video, we'll create a class component. So basically, a class component is a regular ES6 class that extends the component class from React library. And a class component must contain a render method which in turns return HTML. So in the source folder, let's create a new folder and give it a name components. And inside this component, we'll create a class component. Right click and new and give it a name. Let's say welcome.js. So inside this, we'll create our class component. So first of all, we need to import React and component from React, and we also need to import component class, and after that we have to write our class component syntax, which is class and your component name. I'm giving it welcome. As you can see, welcome is highlighted in green or cyan color, and then it extends component class which we imported from React package, and then curly braces. And here in this class component, you must have a render method. So render, and inside this render method, we need to write our logic, or you can say the HTML part. So here return, let's say dev, and here I'm using, let's say, h1. This is a class component, and after that let me use a paragraph. Hello people, how are you doing? And finally, after creating a component, we need to export it. So export default welcome, save. So basically, we imported React and component from React package, and we created a class component. To create a class component, you must extend it from the component class, which we did like this. And inside our class component, you should use a render method like this. And inside the render method, we will return our HTML part like this. So finally, we will export our code. As you can see, the welcome class. Now save. Now go back to your app.js file. Here we need to import our welcome component. So import welcome from components and welcome. And here after this div, let me give a break line, and after that we will use our welcome component. So save. So we are done with the referencing. Now it will take the whatever data is there in this welcome.js and render on this app.js inside this div. So let's open a terminal, and in our terminal we will give a command npm start. So this command will start our development server. Oops, let me do npm i because we don't have node modules. So this npm I will install all the node modules whatever required, and after that we'll try to run our project by using npm start command. So it will take a moment. So the command is completed, and you can see in our explorer we have a node modules folder, and inside this we have thousands of files of different packages. Now let's give a command npm start. Now it will start our development server, and hopefully we will see this hello world and also this content in our Google Chrome browser. I'm using Google Chrome browser as my default browser, so it will open the Google Chrome instance. Maybe for you it will install open a different browser if you are using Mozilla, if you are using Safari. So it depends on your default browser. As you can see, localhost colon 3000, this is the default port of every React.js file. If you want, you can change it. Perfect. Our code has been rendered on our browser. So you can see this is a class component. Oh, hello people, how are you doing? So this content is coming from your welcome.js. So we have a heading, we have a paragraph tag, both are rendering on our browser, and this content is coming from the app.js, and these two things are coming from welcome.js. All right. So this is about class components video. In the next video, I will tell you how we can create functional components and how we can reference those functional components in app.js, and how we can render the functional component data in app.js to the browser. All right. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.